grace experienced by Paul was actually the Lord Jesus Christ himself. In his experience, Paul realized that the Lord's grace became power spread over him like a tent. Hence, this grace power became a dwelling place for Paul in his sufferings. As he was suffering, Paul could dwell in the tabernacle spread over him. This tabernacle, this tent, sustained him, supported him, maintained him, and kept him. To magnify the sufficiency of the Lord's grace,